already landed. Thank you, Jal. It was a good flight. On the way to Lestel Maru. Finally, wala ng bags. Negative 6 degrees. Pero kaya naman. Kasi full heat tech wear. So we're here in this random place pero sobrang haba ng pila. So let's see.
1 hour later.
Kung pinili namin ramen shop, sobrang daming tao. So we went to off-beaten path once again. Ramen shop pa rin siya.
I got a miso ramen.
I got the soy sauce ramen. And shoyu. I don't know what this is.
Oh, ramen soup. Hala ko matitikman yan. Oh, hindi ko naman. Hindi naman.
So if you find yourself lining up in the very long queues of ramen shingen or basta isang ramen na mahaba din pila, you can drop by here Arata. Wala masyadong tao but their ramen is good. Mas gusto niya to kaysa sa Ichiran ramen. So Day 2 in Sapporo, Day 5 in Japan. We're going for a tour?
Yes.
Via Klook.
The penguins.
To see the penguins and go to the zoo. And
The pond.
The pond.
The frozen.
This is what they call the underground line. So normally you don't see people outside because they're all here. Here at the Dori Park, they're preparing for the Ice Festival on February 3. So hindi na namin maabutan yan, but if you want to witness this, usually on the first week of February. So ito yung other side. Pag-zoom in natin, parang cookies and cream ice cream. Shoutout Selecta baka naman. Ano secret? Bakit hindi malamig?
Nakahitek ako sila lang, pero kahit yung skirt ko mainit.
Yun, outfit check. So ako, I'm wearing one top of heat check and one leggings. And then sa baba ko yung khaki plus leggings na heat check. Okay, secret na kung anong day number ng khaki, pero yun, basta khaki works on top of the heat tech leggings. Here we go. On the way to Asahiyama Zoo and Blue Lake / Pond. Ready to Hokkaido ice cream.
Hokkaido.
Penguin Walk is 2:30 PM. Dami ng tao, no? Ayun yung pila nila. 30 minutes pa, but they're already preparing for the walk. This is the penguin walk route. Yeah, and people are already lining up. The penguins are not yet here, but soon lalabas na yan. Parang haba na ng pila. So, ayun. Better to find your spot early on. They're so slow.
A few minutes later.
So that ends our Asahiyama Zoo tour. It's now 3:30, so time to head back. Stop over at BA and someone's enjoying the snow. So dito sa BA, it's a bit far from Sapporo, but the snow is thicker. Ayan na. Pero yung cold, parang same lang naman yung lamig. Pero ang kapal na snow dito. Kasi parang siyang soap foam. Ginamit ko panligo kanina. Going up the Blue Pond. Ito yung view ko sa likod. Yung mountains. Sakto lang yung timing natin. Yung unting lights lang, but it's somehow manageable. Last stop, here we go. Blue Pond without the lights. That's the view. Okay. So on the way back home. Thank you for booking. Club sponsored by Ina Travel Agency. In the future, let's go. Ano masasabi mo sa club natin?
Off-beaten pa.
Bang!
We just happen to pass by this.
Yes.
That's good. Hindi siya makakasuya. I like it.
Yep. Day, what, 3 in Sapporo? And update, the ice is melting. You know, wala pa rin snowfall. Here at Shin Sapporo Station, we're going to transfer to the JR line to go to Otaru. So we went for the unreserved seats on the way to Otaru kasi full na daw ang reserve. May snow pa dito. Currently it's 11 AM and the temperature is 2 degrees. So mas malamig pa rin sa Sapporo, no? Pero siyempre, malamig pa rin dito. Dahil sa dagat. So, mas mahangin. Lining up. 11:30 pa daw open ang restaurant. It's called Hikime. Init kayo? Oh my god. Sarap. The last bite. Let's go. Pagkalunan mo, luwa mo ulit. Okay, one last look at Hikime. The freshest sushi I've ever tasted. 5 out of 5. This is what I ordered. Yeah, bestseller. Actually, hindi siya bestseller dahil sa akin bestseller. Diba? Along these roads, may mga shops, glass house, everything in between. Ano masasabi mo?
Sarap.
Sarap daw, sarap.
Chocolate.
Chocolate with strawberry. Yung churros ni Tito, ubos na, wala na.
Pang turista.
Ubos na. Tita, ano kasabi nyo? Let's see what we have here. Delicious. 2 for 2-1. Yeah.
Ito, 1 na yung dalawa.
Not bad, no? Ito. Wow. Delicious. So we're buying these chocolates and the strawberry. And ano yan? Fromage. Otaro fromage. Ayan, so meron tayong Hello Kitty collab with Otaro Cafe. And then the Steam Clock Tower. Sample. Music.
Gusto ko yung song na to.
Ano yan?
One Love.
Bye.
I love you so. Love is a you.
Still at Sakaimachi Street, and we have the Golden Royce Chocolate Shop. Done with Royce. Heading now to Otaro Canal. Smile, say hi.
Konnichiwa.
And finally done with the pictorial along Otaro Canal. Ganda ng sunset time here. Solid. Real Otaro, thank you. Let's go to Sapporo on the way home. Back at Sapporo. Yung train namin from Otaro to Sapporo is around 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So nag-unreserved seats lang kami kasi sold out na yung reserved seats going to and from Otaro.
Nakaupo pa rin naman kami.
Yes.
Nakatipid kami.
Matipid kami. Pwede naman mag-unreserved. Do agahan nyo na lang sa pila kasi kapag saktong-sakto na yung time na pag-alis noon tapos unreserved kayo, most likely tatayo na kayo niyan. Okay, dinner time. Extra rice na kasi binigyan ako ni Tita, pero yan. What did you get? Beef bolognese and some more. Kabila hamburger and soup and yes. Dito dakimasu. Currently, it's 4 degrees, you know, 4 degrees Celsius. Though yun lang, wala nang snow. Very minimal na lang. Kahapon madami pa dito. Last agenda for tonight, shopping at Parco Mall. Gabi na, no? Pero 5:39 pa lang yan. Sobrang dilim na. Feels like 8 or 7:30 p.m. So, yeah, enjoy shopping.
Totoo ba yung sinasabi mo?
Hindi ba pala? Backdooran muna before we go home. So, for Sapporo, this is their menu. Sapporo version of this. We've got here this.
I don't know, soke and something iced tea.
Oh, chocolate milkshake. Yum. Whew. First blood na si Tito. Ano masabi mo?
Parang black tea.
Black tea. Parang kape.
Ito ng barley. Ang sarap.
Oh! Oh! Parang tea ng sushi. Ano yan? Yan highlight of the day.
White chocolate.
Alright.
Tea.
What's the jury?
Milk tea na pie. Ito yung
Anong milk tea? Okinawa? Hokkaido milk tea. Hokkaido milk tea.
May
Yan,
lasang
parang
boba.
namin loob. Sa labas, no? Dito yung famous intersection ng Sapporo. Day 7 in Japan and day 4 in Sapporo. It's pictorial day. They are truly Namaguchi. Nasa car tayo ng photographer. Let's go. This is the car that we use. Nice. Toyota Heria daw. And may onting snowfall, di ko sure kung kita sa video pero it's nice. Abangan na lang ang pictures sa wedding. It's snowing after our first leg. A photo shoot. Thank you, Lord. Look at that snow. So strong. Okay, done with the photo shoot. Hey, Sugoi. Thank you for the snowfall. You're the best.
Thank you to our photographer.
Thank you to our photographer, Jun. Jun-san. Tozawa.
I'm happy.
Jun-san. It's so good. You can message us if you want to have a picture session here as well. One thing to note, they have their heaters here instead of aircon. Ayan, nakita nyo, may snow talaga. Legit. For lunch, soup curry na. I think this is the last Japanese dish na di pa natin nakainan. Soup garako. Mahaba kasi yung pila sa soup curry again. So let's try this one out. So dito pala tayo sa Fujiyama. Kasi puno yung ibang restaurants. Ito siya. Ayan, mga skewers. Yakitori. Wala nang transition pero dito na tayo sa Makamonay Cemetery. So ito na yung reason bakit di kami mag-Europe in the next 5 to 10 years. Kasi meron naman dito sa Japan.
Weirdo.
From the Stonehenge, guys. On our right is the head of the Buddha. Ayan, on top. Pagdating mo dito kay Buddha sa center, may admission fee. So we can see the face of Buddha yet. The real Stonehenge. the far back end from the entrance. Nice view. Ay, pahaba. Sakay na Suzuki Hills Park. You got to do it twice. Solid. Love it. So you can also do skiing here. I think you just have to pay for the rental of equipment. And yeah, snow tubing is free. Basically everything is free except for the rental. Ay, may sled din pala. Sled slope. Ayan siya. Ayan ang sled nila. So made out of plastic. There are sizes for kids and adults. Wala na masyado, no? Kasi it's already 3:45. So magka-close na. And close na lahat. Heading out now. For soup curry. Done dinner at 6:30. It opened at 5:30, and now look at the line. Sobrang haba. Siguro mga 30 people na yan. If you want to eat at the Soup Curry restaurants, be early, be on time. Guys, may extra kami sa vlog. Walang intro, pero ito, you know what it is? Actually, hindi pa kasi first time namin mag-shopping dito. Standard products. Same with Muji, but cheaper. Yet the materials look the same. On the way to Fushimi Inari Shrine. Kahit 8 o'clock na, punta pa rin kami. This is it. Though yan lang, walang ilaw. Ayan, Fushimi Inari Shrine up close. And taas ang brightness. Wala nangyayari. And next, Mount Moiwa, literal na Mount. Paahon nito. Sila tita sa likod. Pagod na. Ay, lagi pagod. So, here are the rates for Mount Moiwa. Delta.